Let's talk about the business model that nobody warns you about. A one-to-many model is literally how you go from being on call in your business to being in control. Actually, how you help more people. It's how you make more money. One-on-one work is great until you're booked out, you're burnt out, and you're one client cancellation away from a serious panic attack. And please don't take this out of context. I'm not saying one-on-one work is bad. I'm saying if you want to build a business that's much easier to scale, so you want to scale, you need to stop being your own bottleneck. You need one signature offer that helps more than one person at a time. And it's actually how you take vacation time without watching your Stripe account flatline.